Hello my crafty friends, how's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel. This is Sheree and I'm here for hashtag Thrifty Thursday, so welcome. This is a collab started by me, open collab, where anyone can participate, and if you would like to, just post your video or whatever, Instagram, and use the hashtag Thrifty Thursday and link my channel, Turquoise Dreaming. So this week I went to Dollar Tree and just picked up a few things that I wanted to share for Thrifty Thursday. And so what couldn't I resist? These are some cards, which I don't need at all, but it looked like a nice pack of assorted cards. And there are 12 in here. Let's open them up and see what's in here. Well, you can see on the back what they are. But yeah, I'm putting cards in the goodie packs for the Christmas journals I'm making this year. And of course I already have a bunch. So, but hopefully I will be able to use up a bunch and then not be overwhelmed with the Christmas cards. But I do have vintage ones also in my shop, my eBay shop, a package of them. You know, there's a few packages available in my eBay shop of vintage postcards, but I like these new ones too. And these, maybe I picked these out because they look kind of vintagey, but looks like there's 3 of each. So there's that one with the truck and the Christmas tree, decorated Christmas tree in the back. That's cute. Merry Christmas. They all have nice sentiments inside. This one's horizontal with a gnome. I know there's lots of gnome lovers out there. This one's cute. Fa la 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 la. Cute. So that one. And the snowman and Santa. That's cute. This is kind of different, right? Usually you see one or the other, and that has the snowman and Santa. And then you have different colored envelopes. Well, that's cool too. Not just all white or all one color. You've got white, red, and green envelopes. So nice. For $1.25, I don't think you can beat that. You know what I mean? So, some nice cards from Dollar Tree. And then I didn't know how many of these I had left at the time I was at Dollar Tree, or at least I didn't remember. But I liked the 3D ones, and this looked like something different than what I have. So I went ahead and got this one package, and, you know, I could have got like several packages, but I knew I had some. I just didn't remember how many I had. And just, I really like these a lot. You know, if you can see the different things on here. And like I said, the little design on the front is popped up. So it's 3D, and there's, you know, 2 sides to it. So the same ones are on this side. So you have, what, 9 times 2 is 8. I mean, 9 times, not 8, 18. I know how to add, believe me, or multiply. But, yeah, I just thought these were so cute. And I didn't want to pass up not getting at least one of them. And, you know, these will last a long time because there are a lot in here. 18, it says right there. I didn't have to add it up, did I? And then these 2 I got because they're called ornaments. But I like to hang these type of things, like add it to a Christmas tassel. So I just thought these were pretty elaborate for $1.25. I mean, these are, I think are they plastic or wood? Let's open it up in case you haven't seen these. I mean, I can use a little string on there and everything. Let's see, let me feel them real quick. They're probably plastic, but they're made to look like wood. They almost feel like wood. I really can't tell. Let me see. Let me take it out. Yeah, so anyway, I thought they were pretty elaborate for $1.25. It's probably plastic, but it looks like wood. And have a little decoration. The bell, you know, attached bell. It's attached with a little wire piece. Oh, that fell off. I'll have to put that back on there. I wonder how that's attached. Let's see, is it glued on? Oh, it's just glued on ribbon. So I can glue that back on there. But anyway, that doesn't bother me one bit. And is it? glued on or tied on? This one, yeah, they're glued on. The ribbons are glued on. But anyway, I thought it was pretty cool for what you get as far as the little piece with the design, a bell, you know, all of that for $1.25. You can't make that for $1.25. You know what I mean? If you bought all these pieces, it would cost you more than $1.25, I think. So yeah. And then this too, another elaborate thing I thought for $1.25. These little, I guess they look like cookie sheets. And then they have the little gingerbread cookies on them, little gingerbread. Aren't they cute? I just thought they were so adorable, and I didn't want to pass them up, and not just because I don't need them. If I don't use them this year, I'll use them next year. Just take them out so we don't have that gloss, even though this, or glare, even though this will be shiny now in the camera. But yeah, these are actually metal, look like cookie sheets. They have a little string for hanging, so I can hang it on a tassel. And that's what, if I didn't say that, I meant to continue my thought there as far as I'll hang these on a tassel, you know, Christmas tassel, as a little extra piece, a little decoration. But I just thought these were also, you know, when I see something like this that you can't make it for $1.25, you know, it's a no-brainer to just go ahead and get one from Dollar Tree. So yeah, 6 of these little cookie sheets with the little words, little wooden words, and they're all painted in nice colors, and 2 of each. So very cute. And then the other 2 things I got were, because I have in my stash, one day I've been saving pieces for strawberry, like strawberry shortcake or strawberry journal, a bee journal, and a Raggedy Ann journal or 2. Anyway, this was there. This honeycomb, I got 2 of them because I've never, if you see fabric that you like at Dollar Tree, you have to get it right then and there, because next time you go back, they probably won't have it, and they might not get, and they probably won't get any more of it. That has happened to me before, where you know, you have to get it, and if you don't get it, it's gone forever. Apparently. That's how it is. So anyway, I got 2 of these just in case, because it's one fat quarter, and a fat quarter is kind of a lot, but at the same time it's not. So, you know, I thought, well, let me get 2 of them while I can. And so yeah, it's the yellow honeycomb fabric. So those are going into my bee stash. And then I decorate my paper clips, and I go through, if you look at my journals, you know, at the flip through, when I get the paper clips all clipped in, my customers seem to really like that. So I've been trying to continue that. So that's one of my TV crafts. I'll sit at night and decorate my paper clips with different pretty ribbons. And recently I've been putting little tulle pieces on top, and they're really, I think they're so simple to make, and they're really pretty and cute, and I think they add a lot to the journal. So I got another pack so I wouldn't run out, because I keep running out, and I don't think you can beat 220 of these colored, plasticky covered paper clips for $1.25. So it's a lot of, it's heavy too, kind of heavy feeling paper clips. So yeah, I picked up these while I was there, so I wouldn't run out of paper clips. And so that is it. That's my Dollar Tree goodies. I hope you enjoyed. And stay tuned. I have another Thrifty Thursday for you for next week from, I think everything's from Goodwill, Thrifty Goodwill near me. So, or a couple Goodwills anyway. That will be next Thursday. So see you then, and have a great day.